it's always something, ain't it? It is always something. Always something that remind me. Assalamu alaikum, people. Let's go, Knicks. This is your boy Musa, man, bringing you flame. You already know. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell. You be left in that loop, homie. Every time your boy drops that work, that twerk, 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 twerk. Shout out to the black YouTube out there. Ticket TV, Carcino, Kwame Brown, the league attorney, J.R. Wisdom, Mr. Palmer, Too Raw for Sports, Too Raw for TV, Kick It with Mr. Maz, LC Predator Catcher, J.D. Black, Corey Holcomb, Dr. Umar Johnson, Tariq Nasheed, all these brothers, Po Man Podcast, all these brothers bring the flame. Now, I may not be as eloquent as they are, but man, listen here. I love their teachings and their point of views too, you feel me? So once again, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, man. You know, you gotta be a hard up person, man, to commit crime, man. Especially when it involves, taking people out of their elements. Kidnapping, trafficking. You gotta be a heartless person to be able to do something like that. But some people look at humans as bugs, animals. Like they don't mean nothing, Especially with the little girls saying, young ladies getting taken out of these countries at a young age, being sold, being abducted. And man, you would hate to be caught up in some crap like it, man. That's a different type of crime, man. And what I mean by that, man, how can you have a heart to do something like that, man? Well, Sounds of Freedom funder Fabian Marta arrested for child kidnapping. Lord, Lord, Lord. One of thousands patrons of the crowdfunded anti-child trafficking film Sounds of Freedom was recently arrested and charged for child kidnapping, according to court filing and social media posts. Boy, ain't that crazy? Fabian Martin was charged with felony child kidnapping in July, while since removed Facebook posts appear to show the named person revealing their pride in funding the film. Marta's name appears in the movie's credits among investors who bring Sounds of Freedom to theaters. And Sounds of Freedom dramatizes the story of anti-child sex trafficking organization Operation Underground Railroad, and its founder, Tim Ballard, who is played by the movie by Jimmy Caviezel. Wow. That's hard hitter right there, ain't it? That hard hitter. St. Louis Metropolitan Police confirmed to Newsweek that Marta, 51 years old, from Chestnut, Missouri, was charged on July the 21st and arrested on July the 23rd. I also provided a booking photo of Marta, which appears to show the same person pictured on a Facebook account of the same name. Screenshots of since removed posts from multiple online sources seen by the Newsweek, but which not be independently verified, show Marta speaking about his involvement with the film. The Sounds of Freedom movie tackles a very tough subject and took extraordinary effort to bring the movie to theaters. One of the screenshotted posts said, "I'm proud to have been a small part of it. If you see the movie, look at Fabian Martin and family at the very end of its credits." Wow. Fabian Martin and family appears on the list of funding contributors in the films, credited at around 129 minutes and 30 seconds into the runtime. Wow, boy, that's hard hitter. That's hard hitter. In the state of Missouri, child kidnapping is a Class A felony. If found guilty, you can face 10 years to life in prison. Well, when you do something like that, man, you deserve all that flame you've been throwing. Because if you had some type of knowledge of such and you couldn't prevent it, it is what it is on that. This your boy Moose. Do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, boy. It's always something, man. Always something. Peace and a ball of haggers, people.